Welcome to SmartBot FX. Today, we're thrilled to introduce one of the most powerful and consistent trading robots available, the Phoenix Blizzard Gold AI. The Phoenix Blizzard Gold AI is optimized to trade the pair Gold XAUSD and others in the M1 timeframe. It is designed for smart entries, dynamic risk control, and consistent profit-taking in both trending and ranging markets. To start using it, you need a minimum deposit of $100 in your MT4 account, making it accessible for both small and large traders. The standard market price of the Tree of Life is $1,599, but at Smart Pro AI you can grab it for just $59, giving you access to professional-grade trading at a fraction of the cost. Here's how the Tree of Life has performed on a real trading account. 151% total growth. This AI is running on live accounts, not just backtests, so you're seeing verified, real-time results. If you want to automate your strategy with a trusted AI, reduce emotional decision-making, and start trading smarter, head over to our website and get the Tree of Life today, only at Smart Pro AI.